Welcome out here to Potranco Oaks. In just a few moments, we're going to be checking out this Garner floor plan by Kindred Homes. It's a beautiful home, so you'll want to stick around so you can see the entirety of this plan. But first, my name is Brock.Bremmer, and I am your San Antonio realtor. If you are new to the channel or you've been watching several of my videos already, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you for taking your time to do so. And while you're here, if you could go ahead and hit that like button on this video, as well as smash that subscribe button, that'll keep motivating me to make videos just like the one you're about to see and showing you all of the beautiful homes that San Antonio has to offer. So again, we are out in Potranco Oaks. This is on far west San Antonio. Actually, we're in Castroville, Texas, and this whole area is booming. There's a ton of new construction happening out here, and in fact, there's actually a Microsoft data center that's going to be built here in the very near future. So there's a lot of opportunity out here. So if this isn't something you're interested in, please go ahead and give me a call or a text. My number is up here, and I've also got my contact information in the description for you down below. So reach out to me. I could definitely help you find anything you're looking for if this happens to not be it. So again, I'm here to help you and be of service, but without further ado, I'll stop babbling and let's go check out this beautiful home here behind me. Welcome to the Garner floor plan by Kindred Homes. This is a beautiful single-story home here with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and about 2,954 square feet of living space. Inside of this single-story home, you're going to find an open living concept, as well as a game room, a flex space here that you're about to see that can be used as a home office or any other use that you would desire. You also have a 3-car garage and a covered patio that is just perfect for those evenings and weekends with friends and family out there. So I'll let you get back to the tour. I hope you enjoy it, but if you have any questions along the way, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer your calls, and I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy. Well, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this beautiful home with me. I hope you enjoyed it, but I would love to hear what your favorite part of this home was. Like, drop it down in the comments below so I can see it. But if you have any questions about this home or any other home you've seen, or more importantly, if you're looking to purchase your home in San Antonio, please go ahead and give me a call or a text. My contact information is right here in the top corner of the screen, and I've also got it down in the description for you as well. I've got a great working relationship with a lot of the builders, especially the ones that you see here on the YouTube channel. So please make sure you reach out to me when you're ready to purchase these homes so that you have someone on your side and you can get the best deal possible. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you and make sure you get the most incentives and the best deal possible when you're looking at these homes to buy. So thanks again for checking out this video today. If you could please go ahead and give me a like on the video, as well as smash that subscribe button. Both of those things will help motivate me to keep making videos just like this one for you so that you can see all of the homes around San Antonio. So thanks again, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.